People know how hot it gets in Dubai during summer, but does this mean that you can't travel to Dubai? No, you can, and it also doesn't mean that you have to be stuck inside your hotel room the whole time. You can get out and about in summer, and I'm going to show you how. In the desert, 2 hours just before sunset, it cools down quite rapidly. In fact, it can be between 7 and 10 degrees cooler out here compared to the coast and the city. The main reason for this is because of the sand. There's not a lot of moisture in the sand, so it cools down rapidly. It makes it very pleasant out here. The best way to see the desert is on a desert safari, and at Platinum Heritage we have these open-top vintage Land Rovers. It means that you can enjoy the breeze as you go on your wildlife drive through the Desert Conservation Reserve. We also have air conditioning vehicles available. At Platinum Heritage, we also make the most of the natural air conditioning, and we build our camps on top of the sand dunes. This was the traditional way the Bedouins do it, but we also make the most of modern technology, and we have cooling fans inside our tents, so it's a little bit more comfortable when you're eating. So if you have a sense of adventure and you want to experience Dubai in a more authentic way, we'll see you out in the desert on one of our safaris soon.